This is the Patchwork Heart block. It finishes at 12 inches. Here is the diagram. There are just two patches in here, half square triangle and a square. They finish at 3 inches each. The half square triangle, we cut 3 7/8 inch squares, cut them in half once diagonally to make 2 patches for half square triangle, 3-inch finished. For the background, you need 8 patches and 8 patches for the accent fabric as well. If you have the 6-inch cube or these other dies from AccuQuilt, you can use it to cut this shape. And patch B is a 3-inch finished square. We'll cut those at 3.5 inches. You need 2 of the background and 6 of the accent fabrics. And also AccuQuilt, you can use the 6-inch cube shape one. We'll cut this one. All we're going to do is use the A patches, and we're going to piece the half square triangles and then just put the block together. It's a very simple block. Here are the fabrics I've chosen. These are the half square triangles, and then I just have assorted fabrics for the half square triangles and assorted fabrics for the squares. So let's put the half square triangles together. I know some of you are going to ask, can't see this, this background fabric is from Island Batik. The collection is called Dashes, and this color is Salt and Pepper. Now all the half square triangles are done. We're just going to lay them out by following the diagram. And I've cheated because I've already done it, and I have them ready so you don't have to see me muddle through them. Now you just lay them out how you like them, switch them around if you need to till you find something pleasing. Then we're going to sew in the rows first, and then we'll sew the rows together. Thank you for watching.